Hi, welcome to Julie's Tips Learn How to Use Folk. In this video, I'll show you how to review and personalize your campaign before hitting send, so you can maximize impact and make every email feel one-on-one. Once you've finished crafting your message, click Review in the top right corner of your campaign draft. Here, you'll see a preview of each individual email that will be sent to your recipients. If you need to remove someone from the list, just search for the contact and click the bin icon next to their name to remove them. Click into any individual email to fine-tune the message just for that recipient, whether it's tweaking the intro, adding a personal note, or referencing a recent interaction. For deeper context, click the expand icon next to the recipient's name. It opens their full contact profile, so you can review past interactions, notes, and activity to help you personalize with ease. Folk automatically saves all your edits. If you're not ready to send just yet, simply close the campaign. You'll find it anytime under Messages, Draft. From there, you can continue editing or let a teammate review the campaign before sending. Once you've reviewed everything and personalized where needed, just hit send, and your tailored campaign will be on its way, sending progressively. With Folk, reviewing and personalizing at scale is easy and incredibly effective.